So, good afternoon, dear. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm doing great. And what's about you?
I'm fantastic, amazing. So, as we are meeting first time, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sure, ma'am. So thank you so much for giving me such opportunity to introduce myself. As my name is Sunidhi Kumari, I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in my family and I have 3 siblings, one me and 2 of my brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. As well as I'm so much eager to learn English language, so that's why I'm practicing here in the Scati application. Even though I'm running a YouTube channel, that's all about me, ma'am.
Wow, that's great that you are a student and you are just thinking about your success as well. Yes.
So,
So,
ma'am,
do
may
you
I
mean
also
hi?
know something about you?
Yeah, yeah, sure. My name is Kita Thakur. I reside in Uttarakhand, Kashipur, and I'm a teacher. I teach in a school, in a private school. Apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel named Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am, where I upload English content on daily basis, like spoken English activities, some quizzes, and conversational videos. So that's all about me.
That's very fantastic, ma'am.
Lovely to hear you. Thank you. So, as we are talking about you, as you are the student, a future of India. So, how do you see the success in your life? How do you perceive success?
Okay, ma'am. So talking about my last my success that I just wanted to do something in my future life. I can say that I want to do the civil services in my future life. That is only the success, and it is also not very easy. It is also not very like a cup of a tea that we will gonna to achieve success very soon. It is not like we have to do a lots of hard work for that. And I can say for doing such kind of things like I just wanted to do the civil services, so for doing like this type of things, we should know about the English language. So that's why I'm just learning, I'm just practicing English language because I can say that we should know about the English language. Nowadays, everywhere English is spreading very soon. So I can say for surviving in this era, we should know about the English language. Like there is a lot of reason behind it why the people they are knowing this language, why the people they are so much fascinated to learn about this language. There is a lot of reason. Like we can say at the international level, all the interviews, all the presentations, or we can say if we want to do the competitive level examinations, higher studies for the higher studies also. And I can say like for taking a good job or the higher job in our future life. For that
Hmm.
also English is really very important. So I can say now English has very importance. And I can say that English has the two parts. English as a subject and English as a language. So I can say
Yes.
English we should like as a language if we want to learn English, so we have to practice a lot. If we will do a lots of practice, then only we can learn very well, ma'am. And I can say for achieving my success, I should know about the English language.
Yeah, absolutely right. You are going on right track because if you want to get success in your life, so you need to be just that proficiency in the language, in this English language, that is required and that is must also. Yeah, when we are just talking about success, so according to me, success is in that work which you love the most. And as you said that you want to become, so you have already set your goal that you have to become this one. And so first of all, whatever your choice is, just go through that. You should know that why you want to learn that language or that particular profession, that why you want to go there. It should be your love, it should be your passion. If it is your passion, so you can see that you are moving to your way smartly and positively. So that is must, as your goal is already fixed. So now you what you have to done, you have to just specialize the things. Specialize the things means you have to think that what are the important things, that what are the important efforts you need to put in towards your goals. Until and unless you will not put your efforts towards that dream, so you will not be able to fulfill that. So just if somebody, suppose if somebody just want to learn this English language and it is his or her love, so he or she just want to specialize it. Means if somebody want to learn this language, so why they want to learn this language? They want to be a teacher, they want to be a tutor, or they want to just enhance their spoken English, or to express and giving values to their personality. So this is the thing. So it should be fixed. And another thing is that success is that which gives the peace of mind. If you are getting peace of mind in your chosen work, so it means you are succeed. Peace of mind is also very important part of success. If you are not if you are not peaceful with your job or with your career, so that time also that success means nothing. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right that we can say that for success, for doing something in our life, there should be some interest behind it, that we have the interest to do something that one. So whatever
Mm,
we have the interest to do on something in our future life, we should go on that field only. Like something that we are not interested in that, but someone is forcing that if you will do like that, then most of the benefit you will get. But if the
mm,
people they don't have the interest in that field, then why we should go on that? Whatever we have the
mm.
interest to do something in our life, we should do like that only. And there is needed a lot of efforts, hard work for achieving the success, because success is not a cup of tea that today I'm just gonna do a start to practice doing and tomorrow we will get the success. There is a lots of hard work we have to do. We can say
Exactly,
in the
exactly.
India's in our countries there is a lots of people, there is a crore of people, and there is a lots of people they are just resigning and they are doing a lot of hard work, but like by doing the hard work they are also not getting the success. So that's why we have to do a lot of success, we have to effort for after that only we can achieve our success.
Really, really. Suppose you just receive your success in your life, and you are quite content whatever you have in your life. Okay. But if your success is giving nothing to others, if your work is not as you are serving, not giving any service to others welfare, so that success is also useless. Means if we are going to do something and it is going to be helpful for others also, so that is also success. We should keep in our mind that whatever work we are doing, it should be beneficial for others also. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you
Because
are absolutely right.
when we serve the people, that time we get real success. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right. So, ma'am, I just wanted to like ask one question that was speaking very well English language with the confidence. So, could you please give the suggestion to those people who want to learn English language?
Yeah, first of all, the suggestion, those who just want to learn this language, is that only practice, 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 practice consistently. Because if you are not consistent, so you are going to get nothing in any field. If somebody is just practicing one day for 5 to 7 hours, and after one day he or she is skipping, and some other day they are making practice only for 1.5 hour or 20 minutes, so this is not the way to learn or to practice. Just be specific with your time also, with your practice also. If you are given 20 minutes to your practice, so just give that 20 minutes on daily basis. And if you are giving 1 hour, so that time also you are required to give at least 1 hour on daily basis. So that is the thing, we should be honest with our practice. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right that we should if you want to just like learn English language very well, or the
Hmm.
beginners one who really want to learn English language, we should have the first interest that why we are learning this language. There should be reasons through which we can go through on that, and after for practicing part, we can say these needed a regular practice, because if we will speak on the regular practice, if we will speak on the regular practice, then only we can going to get a lots of benefit. We can see a good result in ourselves that we are able to speak very well English language. because I have
Yeah.
also seen myself like when I started to learn this language before examinations, I was doing a lot of practice in the Skype application. And when examination was going on, at the time I just left because I just had to also prepare for my studies for my examinations. So after completing my examination, I again started to practice in the Skype application. But that time I was not able to speak like earlier time when I was speaking. So I can say at that time I was seeing that there is needed a regular practice. Even if we speak on the regular practice, then only we can see a good result in ourselves. Most of the people, what they will do, like today, they are just started to practice English language. After 2 or 3 days, they will again started to practice. But it is not like that. If we are not getting time, but like we should have to manage. We should have to manage times also. We can say if we are also not getting much time, so we can conclude. We can manage time for 15 or 20 minutes through which we
Yes.
can
It's
speak the
up
practice to. Yes, ma'am. I can
It's
also say like
totally up
I'm
to us.
students and I'm going to the schools in the morning after tuition. I'm coming in the evening, so that's why I'm also not getting much time. After coming from the tuition, I'm just gonna do a Skype application. I'm just doing the practice with a 1 or 2 colon and I'm just practicing. After that, again I have to do the homeworks or school work. There's a lots of things. So that's why I'm also not getting much time to practice English language. So that's why people they have to manage their times and have to go through on that. And the other part, we can say that for learning English language, we should have to follow the LSRW for the beginners one who has just started. Because as a beginners one, we have to give a lot of efforts on that. After doing a lot of practice, we can be comfortable on that. So if the people they will follow the LSRW through which they can also learn the English language.
Yes. And those who are at starting level, they can start with listening and speaking at very first level. That is also important. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right.
And
And we
those
can
who
also
says
say that.
yeah, and
Yes,
those who says that we don't have time, so there is no need to make lame excuses. Because what happened in summers, people say it is very hot. It is not in my control to sit and make a conversation. And in winters, weather is not with us in our favor. So there is always something or the other to make excuses. But if you are passionate enough towards learning, so you are really going to steal out time for your patient.
yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right that we should not make the excuses because excuses will not listen in our future life. Whatever we have to do, there is a needed a lot of efforts and hard work that we are doing. So that's why we should not make the excuses. And I can say that the people who is making excuse, they should be go through on that. And we should also follow and we should be have the conversation videos in the video call conversation because video call conversation gives us more benefit. I can say in the video call conversation we can overcome our hesitations, our fairness, and we can see how we are speaking English language, our eye contact, our gesture posture, everything we can see in the video call conversation. So I can say like video call conversation with the people is really very good through which we can easily boost our English communication skills. And I can see that one of people saying that I'm only comfortable in the audio call, I'm just fearing, I'm just hesitating, I should not speak in the audio call. But I would like to suggest they should also speak in the video call conversation because if
Yes.
the situation will come that they have to speak in the public places at that time they will fear a lot because we have not
Really.
speak we have not practiced in the video call conversation. So I can say talking in front of mirror in front of camera is really very important to boost our English communication skills.
Really, it helps in boosting our confidence as well. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right.
So, do you have any question to ask from me?
Yes, ma'am, I just wanted to ask from you a question like what's the journey about the English language?
Please come again.
Ma'am, what's your journey about the English language?
About my journey.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, I have started in the month of 2024 March only. Yes. Actually,
Okay,
before
ma'am.
that, I was doing everything like listening, reading, writing, but I was not paying attention on my speaking skills. So I thought that by hook or by crook, I have to work on my fluency. So I just started my channel in the month of March, and since then I am regular. I am giving a regular practice to my speaking. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
and I
That's the
get a
fantastic.
good result. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I can say that we have covered all those things. So, shall we wrap up the session?
Yeah, yeah, we can. Okay then. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.